Keeping a clean home, especially with pets, can be a challenging task. Pet hair, dander, and other allergens can quickly accumulate, affecting the cleanliness and air quality of your living space. The Shark Anti-Allergen Pet Power Cordless Stick Vacuum promises to make this task easier with its powerful suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and advanced filtration system. Here's an in-depth review of this impressive cleaning device. The Shark showcases a sleek and modern design with a blue finish that's both stylish and functional. Its ultra-lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver around the house, and the low-profile design is perfect for cleaning under furniture. The build quality is robust, reflecting Shark's reputation for durable and reliable products. One of the standout features of the Shark is its HYPERVELOCITY ACCELERATED SUCTION. This technology provides incredible cleaning performance, making it highly effective on both carpets and hard floors. The POWERFINS Brushroll maintains continuous cleaning contact, digging deep into carpets to remove embedded dirt and directly engaging hard floors for a thorough clean. The vacuum excels at picking up pet hair, thanks to the self-cleaning brush roll that prevents hair wrap. This is a significant advantage for pet owners, as hair wrap can significantly reduce the efficiency of the brush roll and make maintenance more challenging. The Shark is equipped with a removable battery that offers up to 50 minutes of runtime when used in standard mode with the handheld vacuum. This is sufficient for most cleaning tasks around the house, providing ample time to clean multiple rooms or tackle more extensive cleaning sessions. The convenience of a removable battery means you can purchase additional batteries to extend your cleaning time if needed. For those sensitive to dust and allergens, the Shark features a HEPA filtration system combined with anti-allergen complete seal technology. This advanced filtration system captures and traps 99.9% of dust, allergens, and dander, preventing them from being released back into the air. This is particularly beneficial for households with pets, ensuring that the air remains clean and free from irritants. The versatility of the Shark is another major plus. It easily transforms into a handheld vacuum, making it ideal for above-floor cleaning tasks, such as vacuuming upholstery, stairs, and even your car interior. The vacuum comes with a range of useful attachments, including a crevice tool and a dusting brush, which enhance its cleaning capabilities and allow you to tackle various cleaning challenges with ease. Using the Shark is straightforward and intuitive. The controls are conveniently located on the handle, allowing you to switch between modes effortlessly. The vacuum's lightweight design reduces fatigue during extended cleaning sessions, and its maneuverability is excellent, thanks to the swivel steering that makes it easy to navigate around furniture and other obstacles. The XL Dust Cup is another convenient feature, holding a large amount of debris before needing to be emptied. The CleanTouch Dirt Ejector ensures that you can empty the dust cup without coming into contact with the dirt, making the process hygienic and mess-free. One feature that significantly enhances the cleaning experience is the inclusion of LED headlights on the vacuum's floor nozzle. These lights illuminate hidden debris and make it easier to see and clean dark corners and under furniture, ensuring that no dirt or pet hair is left behind. Maintenance of the Shark is relatively easy. The self-cleaning brush roll minimizes the need to manually remove hair wraps, while the washable filters ensure that the vacuum maintains optimal performance. Regularly cleaning the dust cup and filters will help keep the vacuum running efficiently and prolong its lifespan. In practical use, the Shark performs exceptionally well across different surfaces. It handles pet hair and dirt on carpets and hard floors with ease, thanks to its powerful suction and innovative brush roll. The ability to switch to a handheld vacuum makes it versatile for cleaning upholstery, stairs, and car interiors. The LED headlights and low-profile design enhance its usability, ensuring that you can clean thoroughly in all areas of your home. Conclusion: the Shark Anti-Allergen Pet Power Cordless Stick Vacuum is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to maintain a clean home, especially those with pets. Its combination of powerful suction, advanced filtration, and user-friendly features make it an excellent investment for keeping your living space free from dirt, pet hair, and allergens. While it comes at a premium price, the performance and convenience it offers justify the investment. If you're seeking a reliable, efficient, and versatile vacuum cleaner that excels in pet hair removal and allergen control, the Shark is a fantastic option that will undoubtedly make your cleaning routine easier and more effective. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.